In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multi-page PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever struggled with combining multiple documents into a single cohesive file, this tutorial is just what you need. Adobe Acrobat Pro is a powerful tool that makes this process straightforward and efficient. So let's dive in and explore how you can do it effortlessly. First, you'll need to open a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Go ahead and launch the program and then open the document that you want to start with. Having the primary PDF file open is crucial as it serves as the base to which you'll be adding additional pages. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the right hand side of the screen where you'll see various icons. One of these icons looks like a series of small rectangles stacked on top of each other. This is the page thumbnails icon and you'll want to click on it. This feature provides a convenient thumbnail view of all the pages contained in your PDF, allowing for easy page navigation and management. Next, look to the top right of your screen. You'll find the Insert Pages button there. Clicking this button allows you to incorporate additional files into your current PDF. When you do this, a File Explorer window will pop up, prompting you to select the file you wish to insert. Once you've chosen the appropriate file, click Open to continue. After selecting your file, an Insert Pages dialog box will appear. This is where you decide the exact location for your new pages within the existing document. You can choose to insert before or after a specific page, or place it at the beginning or end of the document. Once you've made your selection, click OK, and the new pages will merge smoothly into your existing file. But what if you need some more tools to organize your document effectively? Adobe Acrobat Pro has got you covered with its All Tools feature at the top left of your screen. Clicking this brings up a variety of options. One such option is Organize Pages, which you should click on next. Organize Pages offers robust functionalities to rearrange, delete, or rotate pages. Once you're in the Organize Pages tool, you'll see an Insert button. Clicking this button will again prompt you to select your file source, just as before. The process here is the same. Pick your file and confirm your selection. Another Insert Pages dialog box will appear, just like before, asking where you'd like to place the new section within your document. Decide on the location, press OK, and there you have it, a freshly updated multi-page PDF document tailored to your needs. And that's it, you've successfully combined multiple files into a single streamlined PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. The program's intuitive features make document manipulation fast and easy, providing professional results with minimal effort. Happy document editing!